What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades, and today we have a special. Oh my gosh, I didn't know that was all part of that. What up? Jeff here with all my ICP renegades, and today we have a top 5 wallet video. I was gone all day in the sun visiting my brother. He just moved here from Wyoming, so excuse me. I haven't been in my groups very much lately, but I am going to start to get really active in every single group here. I'm going to get my moderators also working in these groups, but I'm going to try to be active every day in my open chat group, in my Discover portal, my Twitter, all of these things, district, be active every day on all of those. And then I'll have my regular YouTube videos. I also might do this one again, but on a recorded video. I just wanted to do this live because I thought of this video the other day, especially with me wallet being part of my grant and by getting wallets created. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm telling you the top 5 wallets. It might say top 3 right there if it hasn't changed yet, but I changed it to top 5 because I think there's 5 amazing wallets right now, and there's actually probably more than that. And I'm not going to give you like 1 through 5. These are just the top 5 wallets in general. I'm not going to put a place on them. You can do that, but I'm going to show you exactly like the benefits of each one, why you would use them, what is going on. I do want to shout out Toniq. Good job, guys. You had an awesome SNS sale. It looks like it isn't in the cards for me to purchase any because I was gone all day during the Toniq and I knew it was here, but I got distracted with life. So dang it. I need Toniq tokens. I wanted to get it on an SNS sale. That's how you make money. When you buy SNS and then it launches, that's how the people make money, because after that it goes on to the exchanges, like the decentralized ICP swaps, your IC DEX, your IC Lighthouse, which actually is IC Lighthouse and IC DEX the same thing? I think they're different. But anyways, I'm going to show you more of those later, and we'll probably do IC DEX and IC Lighthouse later because they do have wallets kind of in their exchange type deals like ICP Swap, Discover. There's more that I would like to add to this list. So the top 5, I'm going to give you in no particular order. And I'm going to say hi to everybody before we get into this. Then we're going to go talk about each one, maybe come back and see how you're doing, and then go through because this is a live stream. So we are going to interact with our community. Our moderators are here looking great. We have 3 moderators here at once, so that's great. My moderators are going to actually be doing some amazing things because I'm going to reward them a lot more. A big announcement, guys. This is the biggest announcement for me and the ICP community and everybody that wants to join along. And I have actually some really good ideas that I'm not going to say right here about this project right here. But I was talking to my friends about how I can make this something that everybody wants to play, because we are going to be launching an NFT. It's going to be called ICP Renegades. The only reason I haven't already launched an NFT project, I had an idea before. I didn't have an artist. I didn't have anybody that would create it and write the code, and then we could submit it to Interpod or Yummy. But now I do, and it's going to be a different one. I was going to do like a social media influencer type NFT, but this one is going to be ICP Renegades. It is going to be basically an NFT that airdrops to the community a lot. But what it is basically, if you look at my 4-pack on my banner, those are just the absolute first draft of the versions, right? So I envision a game, and I'm not going to tell you exactly what game I think it's going to be like, but it's a major game that's in the regular industry that we could bring this thing over. I already know there's like some IC bikes. I saw those. It's not going to be like that. Trust me, it's going to be way different than IC bikes. I know they have a game and everything. This is going to be ICP Renegades. It's going to be more of a chopper, like big Harley. So I have an envision of like a scooter first, and you work your way up. But I don't know. I think we're going to stick with motorcycles. But I think when we have our tier list, because we're going to have a regular tier and then a higher tier up and up. So it's going to be like bicycle, scooter, then you move to your like Honda, then your crotch rocket, then your Harley, right? So those are going to be our levels. Instead of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's going to be like bike, scooter, Honda, crotch rocket, Harley, chopper, stuff like that. So it's going to be really cool. You guys are going to be able to get up to be a chopper renegade. So each one's going to be a renegade. So you're either going to be a bicycle renegade, a scooter renegade, a Honda renegade, a crotch rocket renegade, a Harley Davidson renegade, or a chopper renegade. And those are the chopper. It goes up, boom, and you get more rewards for each tier. So we're going to talk about that later. like the Excite on NES. I don't know. The game isn't going to be anything like that. It's going to be so cool. Oh, and I just had this idea today. I haven't even talked about it with my creator, and we need to meet soon. So anyway, let's get to this. We are going to launch a massive NFT project and maybe turn it into a game. Not like IC Bikes, though. I have a completely different idea in mind. And if I can find somebody, and if this person can actually build games too, and then, oh my gosh, guys, this is going to blow up. Dude, I can't wait. Okay, so anyway, these are going to be the top 5 best wallets. Now, the cool thing is, if you join this Me wallet that I am promoting right here on Twitter, I'm going to show you. This isn't a promotion. I'm not getting paid for them. I'm actually doing a grant to try to get more wallets created on ICP, and Me Wallet's a great one. So I'm not sponsored by anybody. So Me Wallet, though, if you go over to my Twitter, Bitcoin Renegade, I'm going to leave it right here in the chat. Then you can actually join a contest to win either up to 20,000 CKBTC Satoshis, up to 5 people. And if we get over 500 people, I'm giving away 25 ICP on top of that. Okay. So anyways, we are going to get this link out to you on my Twitter, and then we are going to get into these wallets. So let me just grab my Twitter handle for you over here. Over here. All right. And here you go. So let's throw this in here, and then let me look at the comments, then we'll get in these wallets right now, guys. Thanks for showing up. Smash up that like button, hit the subscribe, and definitely leave some comments so that we can get this out to everybody. This is going to be a big video, and I want a lot of people not only to hear about my new project, but also these new ICP Renegade NFTs. So what's the agenda on today for the live stream? Yeah, we already went over that. So let's go. Hank made it. Right on. What's up? Oh, Hank, we got King Love. We got if bear stop gap is happening within the month. Okay. If bear market stop gap is happening within the month. The last drop before the boom might be small, but it's just going to stabilize from there. Are we giving away ICP today? No, we're not giving away ICP today. Is it like Excite Bike on? Oh, we already did that. Okay. So we got all the questions done. Let's remove that thing. And then I'm going to share my screen, and we're going to get to the best wallet. Sorry it took so long, but I had a lot of announcements to make today on the channel and everything. So definitely go subscribe to ICP Renegades on Twitter. So it's going to be ICP Renegades Twitter handle. So pretty easy. All right, guys. So let's get into this first. We making the $3. I don't know, man. That's why we're just doing a wallet. I'm not even going to predict this market right now, guys. I'm really not. We are in a crazy time right now. I absolutely don't think we're going to hit $3, but what do I know? All right. Let's get into these wallets now. So first off, I'm going to start with the one I was telling you about, Me Wallet. Can you see this, guys? Hold on. Were you able to see that? I don't think you were. I wonder. Nope. Huh. How am I going to do that then? Hold on. I need to get my phone on here to see. Sorry about that. I'm trying to show you a Google Play thing, but I don't think it's showing up on the screen. So, and normally I actually do get in the chat. Sorry about that, guys. Just bear with me. Give me 1 second. We're going to get started here. It is super hot in here. Okay. Let's get it, guys. All right. So let's see. I can watch this now. Let's see when I open Google Play. Does it show up? You can tell me in the chat too. Okay. You can see me doing it. You can see me doing it. Does it show up? Nope. Okay. So we can't do it that way. Let's do it this way then. All right, so me wallet. All right, see here? Oh, it's not even gonna. Okay. I'm gonna install this thing here, and then I'm gonna show it to you that way. So let's go back to this one. Sorry, guys. All right, let's get back to this one. So first, let's start off with the NNS Dapp. So this is going to be our very best wallet for staking. So each one of these wallets is going to have one or two things that make it stand out from the other, and why I picked it in the top 5 for right now. So right away, we get to NNS Dapp. Okay, this is the network nervous system where you stake ICP. You can participate in SNS sales. You can vote and earn rewards from staking. You can stake ICP neurons, and there is an ICP wallet right here. So that is definitely interesting. Let me just sign in real quick, guys, and then I will get back over and I'll show you kind of the cool things about it. Just really quickly, we're going to kind of fly through these things here. I just got to use my internet identity, and then I will hurry up and come right back to you guys. This is going to be cool because these are all tight wallets that I use basically almost all of them every single day. Seriously, except Me Wallet yet. That is one I'm using more because it has all of the coolest tokens on the wallet, really. Besides, Stoic and Plug, kind of an open chat too, but it's a really cool thing. It's just all available right there. So basically you can store either ICP, CKBTC, SNS, or open chat over here in your main wallet. See that? You go to this one, you got your CKBTC, your SNS1, and your open chats. So as far as I know, these are the 4 for now that you can use over here. So this is going to be more of a limited wallet. But what is cool is each one of these you can stake. That is the main function of this wallet, is governance, right? And so now for Bitcoin, CKBTC, I don't know anything about creating a neuron yet. I will probably do that in a later video. Same with SNS1. I already do have chat token in the neuron. So I will go over these later with you in a different video. Okay. So basically you can select your tokens, go to internet computer, grab your, address, send some ICP over here. Then you go here and you go to your neuron staking. So this is just a wallet. This token right here, this is just your wallet. So you have your main wallet and you can add an account as well. You got your CKBTC, all that cool. And then you have, it's more than a wallet. So you have your neuron staking where you are going to be staking a lot more. And you can spawn a new neuron. Now, this is about 11 ICP. I have about 4 days and 20 hours remaining. And then I have my big one, and I have my 8-year one. And then this one just kind of got stuck here. There's a little bit of maturity, but no ICP in it. And no, so anyway, then you can do it with your SNS. And it looks like you cannot use, okay, there are no neurons. Okay, maybe I'd have to stake a neuron over here, but you can't do CKBTC yet. Okay, cool. Or at all, I don't know. Then you can vote on proposals. You're going to want to set people up for proposals. This is what's cool about this. You can really get into the governance of internet computer and get your voice heard so that you can actually see Toniq app, the SNS launch passed by 51.3%. Now, if you really like them, you could say, okay, well, I think they need to pass for more than that. And you can use your internet computer to basically control what you want to have happen in the network. It's really cool. Basically, you become part of the network. Your ICP works for you to decide what is happening in the ecosystem, and you can control that. If you want a new node, you don't want a node in there, and you have enough power and you have enough people, then, guaranteed you could probably, get something approved. Or if you're like at 49%, you get more people interested, they want to do it, boom, you get up to 50. And this is really cool. You can submit a motion, you can vote on motions, and all sorts of really, really cool stuff. So that is the NNS Dapp. This is actually the one that I probably use most. Here is the launch pad. This is where Project Toniq, the first and only dedicated search engine for Web3 content. So this is for 9 days. Cool. We can still get in, guys. Hold on. Oh, wait. You are not eligible to participate in this swap. Oh, I must have missed it. Okay. It's saying accepting participation. I must have missed something. I am not eligible to participate. Why is it saying accepting? Okay, I don't know about that. Like I said, I haven't been involved in any of these, so I'm gonna just go past this. That's something somebody else is probably gonna have to make a video about right now. Cameras, dang it. Thank you, Justin. I wonder how many times he had to text me before I got it. Okay, only twice for 2 minutes. Dang it! Oh, I hate it when that happens. I don't want you to see my password and then I forget to turn it back. Anyway, so I'm just going to go over this really quick. Basically, a rundown of what I just said. Here is your main wallet. You have your ICP, your CKBTC, your SNS1, your open chat. Okay, this is your main wallet for each of them. You have CKBTC, sent here. You have your SNS1, sent here. Then you can start a neuron. You have your open chat sent here. Then you can put it over here on the neuron staking. You can stake your neuron, open chat staking, SNS, you can stake. You just have to send it there. I don't have any. And then internet computer, you can stake. As you see, this is 11 ICP spawning in about 4 days, 20 hours. This is a 0-1. Nice 1 year, 92 days, 7 years on that one because I am all in on ICP. All right, NNS Dapp, awesome wallet. I will leave it in the description below after the video. Okay, next off, we're going to Stoic Wallet. Yeah, baby, yeah. Okay, now this wallet is one of the first ones that I used. Besides the NNS Dapp and Plug, these three were basically the first ones that you could use on the internet computer, and they've actually adapted it over time and become better and better. I really like the different sections that you can go through, from your internet computer tokens to your intrapot NFTs to the NFTs that are on different marketplaces, and then your fungible tokens, which are going to be your ICP tokens, your dog meat, your ghost, your chat, your CKVTC, your SNS1s, all of those, the Toniq, all of these are fungible tokens. An NFT is a non-fungible token, which is like a JPEG, and fungible tokens can actually be sold at a certain price. An NFT has to have a buyer. A token doesn't necessarily have to have a buyer. Or so it will sell no matter what, as long as there's liquidity. So then you have your ghost, your NDP, all of that. So the cool thing about this wallet and what makes it stand out from the other wallets, okay, it is basically having all of these cross sections that I was telling you about right here. When you send an NFT over here, it will automatically, most likely for most NFTs, that I have seen, that it picks it up. You don't really have to do a whole lot. Same with fungible tokens. They end up adding them on their own. Sometimes you can like add a new token to this account if you cannot find it there. But for the most part, this thing updates with the NFTs and the projects over time. Like if a new NFT project just comes out, it might take a couple days or weeks to get in there, but it does. Same with tokens. Really awesome. The cool thing about this one is it's easy to send address to address on this one. It's really just easy to use. There's a token registry. You can act with your neuron on here. I've never done that. Maybe I'll look into that on a future video that we can really get an idea of what it entails to run a neuron on Stoic Wallet, if you even can right now. Who knows? I don't even know. And then they have the marketplace, which is beta. Toniq Labs actually is the same people that own run Intrapot, which is now I think Toniq.io or something like that. They do still have Intrapot, but these guys are pretty big in the space. Bob Bodley, these guys are absolute juggernauts in the space. Great guys. I love the Toniq Labs team. Just good people, man. Good, smart individuals that I kind of look up to. So this is a great wallet. All you got to do is, get your address right here, send some ICP. If you're doing it from Plug Wallet, maybe you want to use your principal ID if you're going to send like an NFT. So yeah, if you really wanted the distinction from your Intrapot NFTs to your other NFTs like on Yummy and CCC, IC Markets, Meme Cake, all of those, right? So that's what's cool about this one, is that I can see those NFTs that I have. Right? So look at that. And your ICP swap NFTs, all of these, right? So these aren't the ones on Entrepot, they're elsewhere, and they keep them all in the same place for you. You know, this is really cool. I like it. So moving on to the next one, and it's a different, each one of these are different kind of wallets. So now I'm going to take you to pretty much a regular wallet. This is the most regular wallet out of them all. And what I mean by that is it just functions as mainly a wallet. Instead of like a lot of other functionality, like these other, like, you know, Toniq Labs has more features, you know, NNS, you can stake, all of that kind of stuff. Now, I don't even think I can show you this one right now because it doesn't look like I can even interact with my screen with this thing. Okay, it does move over there. Let's see what happens. If I do this. Does it disappear? Yes, it does. There's nothing I can do. Okay, what if I open the wallet? Does it appear? Okay, let's try that. Okay, we might have to show you this wallet without actually going into it because my screen cannot detect it. And I apologize for that. There's absolutely nothing I can do about that. But I will. I will describe it to you. Let's go right over here. This is a really, really cool wallet. There is a, let's just say ICP project called Astro X. Now, Astro X has been really active in like Zurich meetups, stuff like that, giving out like cards for, you know, I'm not sure if it's free wallet or, you know, like maybe some crypto ICP or something, but they're giving people cards. My moderator Hank got one. Maybe he can give you a little more information about that. But Me Wallet is the newest ICP wallet. This is one that I think is really, really awesome. And I wish I could show it to you right now because it literally has all of the tokens like as a regular wallet, like you would think like Atomic Wallet, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, you know, stuff like that. It's more of a traditional old school wallet, a crypto wallet, right? So it's pretty cool. Please, if you want to win ICP and CKBTC, go to my pinned tweet on Twitter, and my Twitter handle is in the comments, and go join this contest. All you have to do to join is like, retweet, and download a Me Wallet, tag 3 friends, and post proof. It's pretty easy. So yeah, I'm gonna leave all of that in the description below. For all the other ones, but for this one right now, I would ask you to just go to Twitter. It's pinned to my pinned tweet, so pretty easy. And it's just awesome. It has all of the tokens already built in where you can just add them to your wallet. Really awesome. Next, I want to go to OpenChat. And OpenChat is an ICP wallet, but it's also a social finance. See this? Here's my wallet right here. Okay, this is my wallet. See, it's a wallet. It's also a lot more than that. This is a decentralized autonomous organization, which means it's a fully decentralized, self-governing DAO. Decentralized autonomous organization. It runs itself, right? The community does through governance, right? So there isn't like a group of people that are sitting in a boardroom taking all your money, right? They are actually pushing it out, fully decentralizing it, giving it over to the hands of the community and trusting us with their brainchild. This is absolutely one of the best, not only wallets, but dApps in crypto today. Okay, not just on ICP, not just in, you know, low cap or high cap gems. This is the absolute place to be right now, not only in crypto, but in social, you know, media, social finance. This is the first stop that you want to make is OpenChat. Okay, then I want to go to NNS Dapp. Check out my staking features. Then I want to go to Stoic Wallet, right? Check out the other features they have. Go to Plug Wallet. Go to Me Wallet. These are all things, that you can do in steps, right? So ICP Wallet, you can have ICP, chat, CKBTC, SNS1. You can also, send this to people in a chat message. Look at this. So this is an open chat group. Let's go to my group called ICP Renegades. And this is going to be a lot like the NFT project. If you look at my logo here, let's see. Yeah, this logo. Oh, I can't. Okay, never mind. But this logo right here is just a beta version of our NFT that we're building, NFT project. So if I want to send money, all I have to do is press on Bitcoin right here, send crypto. And then it asks enter recipient's name. And I'm just going to pick one of my mods. Right here, Vivian Ann. Okay. And then I can choose if I want to send ICP up here, send ICP. You press this right here. And you can send internet computer to her, open chat, CK Bitcoin, or SNS1. Well, I have some CK Bitcoin. It says if you have a small amount of CK BTC and it says you do not have any CK BTC, press refresh right here. Okay, well maybe it's not going to work this time. Dang. Sometimes it works. Normally you have to have, it looks like at least 1,000 Satoshis. But normally when I press refresh here, it will let me send it, but it looks like they changed that. So anyway, you have to have at least 1,000 because it won't let me do it. Now chat token. Let's see if it'll let me do that one. So I have 0.0090 chat token. Let's do it. 0.0001. Okay, I'm just doing this to show you, right? So we'll send her 0.0001 of chat token right here in a message. And then you can send a message, say, thank you, moderator. And then we go to send, right? And then ask you if you're sure you want to do that. It gives you another chance just in case you accidentally confirm. And then boom, thank you, moderator. And I sent that. That goes directly from my wallet into her wallet. As soon as that circle stops spinning, shabam, thank you, ma'am. Yep, see, that fast. It literally took a couple of seconds. And that's on a chat room, right? So this is the absolute place to be. Go join my ICP Renegades group. We are almost at 100. We only need 4 more people over there. And you guys can do that for me, and it's value to you too. It isn't just for me. It's actually for yourself, because I'm going to really reward my community that are in these groups. When I do airdrops and NFTs, those different tiers, you're going to get airdropped NFTs, tokens. I'm going to try to partner with some of these DAOs and really make this project valuable to the community and make people actually, want to be a part of it and have fun and get rewarded and hang out and, just have a wonderful experience in crypto. And we all deserve that. So next I want to go to the last but not least on the list. And I don't know if this is going to let me show it either. I'm going to try, you need a VPN to participate in the Toniq launch. Yes. Okay, cool. Thank you, Hank. Dude, my moderators are freaking awesome, dude. We're going to succeed now, guys. We literally have every tool, every advantage, every possibility that we could possibly need to succeed. We've been pushed out into the place by dfinity. We have been surrounded by the community and lifted up. We have worked really hard over the last 2 years to create this community for you guys. Very hard. Not just me, a handful of people, probably close to about 100 people have been involved in building Bitcoin Renegade for you guys, not just for me. I could go do crypto on my own, but I don't want to. I want to do it with you guys. I want to experience this journey with the community that lifts me up. Okay, you don't find that a lot in life. And I think that's why I'm so drawn to the internet computer community. Because whether we have beefs with each other about something, we hash it out, we work it out, we get it done, we figure it out, and then we grow. And that's how you do it. It isn't about how hard you fall. It's about how you get back up, how you treat people, and, even if you mess up, admit you're wrong, or, just if you're a jerk, just be like, man, I don't mean to be that way. certain things trigger me or whatever your situation is. Be honest with people, integrity, and that's what we stand for here with the ICP Renegades. That's why you don't have to worry about a rug. That's why I didn't build my original project. I was worried about I couldn't bring value to the community with my original project, so I didn't do it. Okay, so anyways, you can use the VPN to get in the NNS Dapp sale. I'm definitely going to be doing that maybe right now. Let's see if I can do Plug Wallet really quick and if it'll show up. I don't know if it will because it is a browser extension, and I don't know if that will show up on my screen for some reason. Ooh, crowdfunding! Plug Wallet is crowdfunding right now. They actually sent me a tweet. I've been so busy that I didn't even get back to Plug Wallet, probably one of the biggest people in space. So didn't do that on purpose. I've been so busy. Life has been hectic, but it's not showing on my screen. So what I'm going to do, I don't know what I'm going to do. Actually, this sucks. So Plug Wallet. Okay, another one. I'm just going to have to show you the Google of it. For some reason, this technology on YouTube is not able to pick up browser extensions or the Google Play Store. It's very strange. So we go to Plug Wallet here. Hey, we learned something new today, right? So it's HTTPS colon what is that? / plugwallet.oo. Plug Wallet is a crypto wallet for the internet computer that allows you to hold, send, and swap ICP, cycles, NFTs, and other tokens, and access IC apps in one place. So here's what I have to say. This is I'm going to go over everything about all of these in my own words right now. Okay, we kind of went over them and kind of what they were saying. Now we're going to go over it and what I'm saying. So Plug Wallet, one of my favorite wallets, man. I don't know why. I don't like MetaMask. For some reason, this browser extension, absolutely love it. I don't know why. I couldn't tell you. I normally don't like browser extensions. It works flawlessly. The only issue is the activity part. That was the only thing that I would ask them to update, that they could be more clear on what we are sending, receiving, and stuff like that. But other than that, it runs perfectly. You can swap your ICP tokens. I have never dropped like any crypto on this. Every time it works, it automatically adds NFTs, most of them to your wallet. It adds some of the tokens. If not, you can customize the token. It's really easy to send from principal to principal on Plug Wallet. That's what this biggest benefit, in my opinion, of Plug Wallet is. It makes it really simple to send tokens and NFTs because you have an address and you have a principal ID. You get a little bit confused with each wallet which one you should use. Most of the time, you're going to use your address depending on what you are sending, what you're doing, right? And so Plug Wallet really made it easy to just go from, wallet, from principal ID to principal ID. So that's why I really like this one. Then you have our Me wallet, which is going to be probably the most valuable new wallet out there. Astro X is an absolute up and coming, project in this space. I'm looking forward to what they're doing. I'm going to keep an eye on that. I will update you guys on all of these things. Plug Wallet has been taken over by a new person. They're crowdfunding right now. You can swap tokens. Me Wallet is brand new. You can get it on the Google Play Store or Android, your Apple Store. We got our Open Chat over here, which is the social finance. This is one of the best social finance apps I have ever used, and probably one of the best social apps I have used to build a community. It's way better than Telegram. As you see, my Telegram only has 60 people. My ICP Renegades Open Chat group has 97 people, half of those in the last week or two. I absolutely love this place. I can send people money. What up, Joe Egg? You are awesome. Hank Licious joined. Thank you. Man, you guys are awesome. I love this wallet. You can, send money back and forth instantly. Bitcoin for cheap. One freaking Satoshi to send Bitcoin. Wow. And it gets there immediately. What? Come on now. Then Stoic Wallet, man. This one is absolutely wonderful. And if you have an issue, even if the team doesn't get back to you right away, they will go out of their way to help you. They are super busy. And but if you do have a problem, definitely bring it up to them because they will help you. So I love that. They do have good support. And I think it's gotten better over time as well. So I really love that it separates the Intrapot NFTs from the other ones. I really love the ease of the fungible token part of this. Very, very good. I mean, I'm going to rate these wallets real quick. So I have a Plug wallet. I'm going to give Plug wallet a 7 out of 10. Very good wallet. All around, probably one of the best wallets out there. But the activity part, it's only going to get better though. So I see it going up to a 9 very quickly. Very quickly. So right now it's a 7. We're moving up to that 8 right now because of the crowdfunding. Once they get that crowdfunding, they're going to probably put the money into Plug Wallet and really make it awesome. So we might even see a 9 or 10. But right now we're at a 7. I really like this wallet. Me wallet. I'm going to have to give this one a 6. And that's only because it's brand new. If it was not brand new, it has one of the coolest features to just add your tokens very, very easily. I saw it. I was like, dude, this is so cool. You know, it shows the token symbol. Boom, grab it. Just put it on your wallet. Boom. Very simple. Love that. Now, the only reason it's at a 6 is because I don't know enough about it. Okay. I need to work with this more. I actually think it's more of an 8 right now, but I don't know enough about it. That's the only reason it's a 6. I haven't used it very much, so I don't have that user experience. So I'm going to say it's a 7. Okay, it's going to tie with Plug just because it is awesome. Like, it's a great wallet, but it's new. They still have a lot to go, right? But this is probably the one that I would be choosing right now. I know I'm saying it's a 7, but this is absolutely one of the best wallets right now. So definitely. Now, Open Chat is going to get a 9 for me. Okay, why does it get a 9? Why do the other ones get a 7? Well, they're awesome. They're great. But Open Chat, it feels different, right? It literally empowers you to be able to socially give your money to one another without a bank, right? So traditionally, if you wanted to send money to somebody like across the world, now you have crypto, right? But before you couldn't, okay? And you really can't in a chat. So you're talking to somebody, right? And they're like, you want to exchange money, right? You have a group. And you want to be able to pass money back and forth very quickly, very easily, and fast. And what you would do is you would come over here, you would create whatever size group. If you have 4 people that send money all the time, you know, that live across the world, one person lives in Seattle, one person lives in China, you can send it instantly to them while talking. Say you have a group meeting, you're going over numbers, you're calculating, you know, the money, you have to divide it into 4 people. Everybody needs to see it on chain, proven. Boom, you do it all at once on Open Chat. You can talk, you can send money. I mean, dude, come on now. And it's a decentralized I mean, it's completely a decentralized application here, Dapp. Decentralized application, right? Dapp. Okay, so this is going to get a 9 from me. I want to give it a 9.5, but we're just in the bear market right now, right? So again, more room for growth here. I really think it's going to get better. So we might actually have a 10 on our hands here, but not yet. Maybe soon though. Maybe as soon as CKETH comes, right? I think as soon as CKETH comes, and if they get that on here, it bumps it to a 10 immediately. Because you can send Bitcoin like that in 1 second. Flawless. All right. So now I'm going to rate Stoic Wallet, and I'm going to have to give them an 8.5. Okay? So why do I say 8.5? Well, when you have issues with something, it really means a lot if the team that is behind the project cares about what their user is going through. And that is why they get an 8.5. So it would have been a 9. It just took them a little while to get to me. So they answered my question. They cleared all my doubts. But it took them a little while to get to me. If not, they would probably be a 9. I'm not going to lie. So we're going to give them an 8.5 just because it separates your Intrapot NFTs. They make it really easy to send with your address. This is why I hold some of my internet computer over here. This is mainly my giveaway stuff over here. Fungible tokens, it just makes it super simple. You can create a token here on your token registry. So this just makes a very, very friendly user experience. And it's very high level because you got your neurons, your marketplace beta, your token registry, and then applications. You can lock your, I mean, this is just, this is going to go up as well. So it's an 8.5 right now. And this one is going to get a 9.5 for me. Now, the only reason it is getting a 9.5 to NNS Dapp, that is because this is the place where you make your most money by, let's say your most, what do they call that? Residual income, right? You're going to get money over time, and it's going to keep coming and keep coming. You can either spawn your neuron, or like I was doing in here, and then this isn't the only reason too. So you spawn your new neuron, right? Which means you can take the ICP out. You can't touch this because it's staking for over a year. But when you get maturity, it turns into an ICP. You can either add to your staking, or you can spawn a new neuron and take this 1.7 ICP out and put it in your wallet, do whatever you want, send it to an exchange, sell it, buy an NFT, buy tokens, whatever you want to do. This is freaking awesome. Okay, you can increase the delay, increase the stake. You can, do all of this stuff, right? So that is one of the reasons. Another reason is going to be the multiple different tokens that you can use governance on. Okay, it has open chat, it has SNS. This is the absolute fire. And I really don't have a whole lot to say on that, except this launchpad is absolutely freaking amazing. Okay, this is where people make a lot of money. This is where people are going to make a lot of money. Okay, so Project Toniq, the first and only dedicated search engine for Web3 content that is hosted on the blockchain or decentralized storage networks. Deadline 9 days, 3 hours. So it might sell out pretty quick. Yeah, and so this is where all the SNS sales are. So that's why it gets a 9.5 out of 10. All right, I think that's about all we have for today. I think I did really good in this video. My bottom teeth are falling out, so I'm going to call it a day. Oh, man, kind of hurts. Dude, I like this video. I had fun. So honestly, we need more competition in the wallet space. That would be cool. I actually am wondering why there's very few wallets. There's so many people that are in ICP. We need more devs making wallets, guys. We really do. So I'm so tired of having to accept that I have to use MetaMask 99% of the time. I would like some wallets to add ICP. A lot of wallets, like maybe Trust Wallet have it, right? Atomic Wallet. Let's see all of the big wallets get ICP. Come on, you know that would be really awesome. So I want to see what your guys' opinion are too. Thank you, Hank. That's a very good idea. I want to know what you rate these wallets. Okay, so that is my opinion on these wallets, just because my user experience, what I've been through, just wisdom over time. That's it. I've used each and every one of these for almost, between 2 years and a couple months, right? At least, or a couple days for me wallet, right? So, yeah, this is absolute awesome. Let me go through the chat again and just, see what you guys are doing. I'm having a great day. I got to see my family. I'm always happy when I get to see my family. So, right. No, okay. Oops. I'm from the US. Oh, we can't take part in so that's good to know. If you are from the United States of America and you want to take part in that SNS sale, use and I think I'm going to make a video about this. So we're not going to go over this here. Well, we will. Let's just say that, and I think I'll make a video about it. If you want to take part in the SNS or the Toniq, SNS sale, you're going to want to use a VPN. And I recommend, depending on if you use a mobile, I use free VPN. You watch an ad or two, you get a VPN. It's like 10 minutes or 5 minutes for each ad you watch. You can get up to like an hour. And then just go over to the Toniq sale, boom. If you're on Chromebook or Apple, just look up free VPNs. And the thing about free VPNs is they are going to take data from your computer. They are going to, it's not free, right? They're going to want something from it. So they're going to take your data. If you want to pay for a VPN, you can get a private one like on Brave or something, and then you will be a little bit better off. Okay, and then you can go buy your Toniq tokens. I think I'm going to. Hopefully they don't get sold out before I do that. It looks like a nice amount of money went into there already, so freaking awesome. So use a VPN. And I think I'm going to make a video showing how to do it. I think. I mean, unless it stops. And I'm not doing it tonight. So hopefully tomorrow. Dang. I'm just so tired. I've been up since like 6 o'clock this morning. So YouTube saw what I said as spam. Huh. Oh, well, I'll post it in the group on Telegram because YouTube does not like what I have to say. I like what you have to say, my brother. Love seeing this, Jeff. I do too, guys. Like, this is me. If you wanted to know who I am, you get to see the real me today. The me I am around my family, right? So I have really bad anxiety that has came over the years of like being sober. My brain chemistry has changed a lot, and I've had to overcome a lot in my life. So yeah, just bear with me. If I ever have a hard time, like I do, I'm a very self-sustaining person, and what that means is I govern what I say. Like if I know that I'm doing something wrong and I see it, I correct myself, right? Or if somebody else points out something to me, because we can't always see, things that we're doing, right? So a little bit of a life advice today. And so that's what I do. I like to take, control or responsibility for my actions. If I mess up, I say that I mess up, and I do what I can to make it right. So anyway, let's see. Me Wallet is an 8 for Hank. Okay. I'm glad to see the ability for people to directly support creators. We are going to have an awesome video with Barry Hype coming on Friday at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're going to be talking about Canistore. Not only can you listen to a radio on the blockchain, but you can copyright your music. Or if you are like a YouTube creator and most of the music on YouTube you cannot use or you'll get a copyright strike, you could buy the music from Canistore and then use it on your YouTube channel. And YouTube, you're buying that and paying for it, so you're not going to get a copyright strike. So this is a really cool thing for YouTubers. It's a really cool thing if you're a musician and you want to sell your music to people. It helps up-and-coming artists really get their music out there and like start earning money, even when they're not as big as Eminem or some of these other people, right? So Internet Computer has so many different depths to it. It has your gaming, your Web3s. It has your wallets. It has your staking. It has your ecosystem, your government, your governance, your DAOs. It has NFTs. It has games. I mean, it just has different layers, right? It has decentralized autonomous organizations, NFT marketplaces, right? Decentralized exchanges. So it's really going to change the way that we view crypto in about 10 years. Everything is going to be ran super fast. Nothing, dude, all this slow stuff, it's going to be way too easy to just get things faster. Bitcoin's going to survive because it's the juggernaut. But any gem, any like top 100 coin that does not provide value long term or isn't at least willing to collaborate with others to bring value to the space, then they're absolutely not going to be here. So Internet Computer is going to be here because one, the community is amazing. Two, it has the not only like most active developers flocking to the Internet Computer, it has some of the most talented developers that I've ever seen in my life. My older brother is a developer. I tried to get him on ICP. I did. He's so busy. It was like, that was one of my goals. I'm like, bro, you can make a lot of money what you do. You're designing a game on Web 2 right now. If you do this same thing on Web 3, you just have to take a Motoko boot camp class and you can learn Motoko. You already know C++ or Rust, right? You already have that knowledge. So all you would have to do is transfer that over to Web 3, build on the blockchain, get a $50,000 grant, build the game, make it awesome. dfinity gives you another $100,000 to promote the game, get it out there. Come on, man. Why wouldn't you do that? My brother's too busy. He has 5 kids. So, and he has like 3 jobs. So trying to get him was super hard. Maybe when he's done with his game, I'll do it. Okay, I would love for you to share the new symbol with us because I'll buy a shirt right now if you get the new logo on it. That's the next thing is the merch. The merch is going to go to the store. We're going to have a lot of stuff for you guys, and I'll probably buy some maybe to give away to you guys as prizes in the future, or NFT holders might be, getting merch and stuff. We'll see. We have a lot of different things planned to bring value to the community. NordVPN is private and safe, but does it cost money? You could use NordVPN. You could use, any of the free VPN. What else is there? There's, gosh, I don't even know. I don't care. Hey Jeff, if you stay live till 7:30, I will surprise you, man. Oh man, I can't. My teeth are hurting, bro. Like, I want to, but that's a full hour. Yeah. Why? What? What is it, dude? What is it? I'm so excited now. You got me excited about something. Uh, I don't think I have much more I can talk about. So, I would love to hear your surprise, but I absolutely need to get some rest. I'm all about self care right now, and I love you guys, but I gotta take care of myself. All right, guys. That being said, goodbye and good ICP. Bam!